Hello everyone, Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access here today with this week's Tip Tuesday video. This is a very special Tip Tuesday video today. We are here, of course, at our new Oakley Home Access showroom here in 322 South Pier Road in Narragansett. And today I'm going to talk a little about the product that I'm very passionate about. It's called the Handy Bar. It's really what inspired us to start this company in the first place. As everyone knows, I was working in the nursing home setting as a therapist, and we would often do car transfers. So I had heard about this product back in California while I was a student. It's an excellent product to help people in and out of the car. It essentially becomes an armrest or a handle within the door when you're trying to get out of the vehicle. So you see this gentleman utilizing one right now. This display is able to demonstrate the little piece of metal that's on every vehicle that the product goes in, and you simply place it in there and push up as you're rising up from the vehicle, and it really gives folks something to hold on to. A lot of times they're searching for something on the door or pulling on the moving door in order to get out of the vehicle. This just really helps stabilize things. And again, this was one of my first inspirations to get into this business with accessibility equipment. So this is near and dear to my heart. Every day an individual will use this to get out of and into the vehicle, but it should always be stowed in the vehicle because in the event of an emergency, it can break the windshield and it can also cut the seatbelt as well. Most often it won't be used for this, but in an emergency it's nice to have it. But like I said, every day an individual can use it to get in and out of the vehicle just like that. So we have them here at the showroom, $35. But if you end up buying a stair lift or a ramp from us, you might just get one for free. So definitely mention this video if you're doing business with us. And again, we're happy to help any way we can. 429-3882 is the phone number. We're located here in Narragansett, 322 South Pier Road. Come down, check us out. Try out all of our equipment. Try a ramp, elevator, stair lift. OakleyHomeAccess.com has a lot of other information. Follow us on Facebook, of course. And again, we're Oakley Home Access, your one-stop shop for home safety and accessibility, passionate about fall prevention, increasing accessibility, and aging in place in the community. Thanks. See you next week.